Hello, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna be talking about my top 3 upcoming 5G CP smartphone. So yeah, let's get started. Alright. So coming at the number 3, we got Realme Naruto 30 Pro 5G. So according to Flipkart, the Realme already confirmed to be launched this month, 24 February at 12:30 p.m. And I'm really excited about this phone because it's going to be the cheapest 5G smartphone. So the price is expected to be only 13,000 rupees, and for US dollar it is only 179 USD. And this phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 800U chipset processor. Come with a 120Hz display, ultra smooth display. And talking about the camera, and at the back side we get 3 rear cameras with a 48 megapixel sensor, and for battery life it is 6000 mAh battery, so it does support fast charging at 30 watt. Coming at the number 2 is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 5G. So this Mi phone is expected to be launched in the first week of March, and I'm really super excited about this phone because Redmi Note 9 5G is super affordable smartphone that support 5G right now. So about the price is only 14,500 rupees and $200 in US. And I hope you will love the camera on Mi Note 9 Pro 5G. Actually has some pretty good cameras. It does have a triple rear camera setup, and what you get is 48 megapixel primary sensor plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel for depth sensor. And you can also shoot videos up to 4K 30 fps. And as for the batteries, well, the Redmi Note 9 5G has 5000 mAh battery, so I expect no issue for heavy full day use. Hope that this should last at least 2 days. Next, coming at the number 1 is Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So this will be an excellent budget 5G phone. This phone is expected to be launching on 4th March. It will cost around 15,000 rupees, and it is $207 in US. I'm pretty sure that the design on Redmi Note 10 Pro Max will look really complete, cool premium design. I expect that the camera on this phone turns out to be really good because in Redmi Note 10 Pro Max I expect that we will get a quad camera setup. Main primary camera is 108 megapixel. So if you are a big fan of photography and videography, then I hope this phone is pretty big deal when it comes to camera. Talking about the battery, this phone got a 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging. So I hope battery life on Redmi Note 10 Pro Max will be a pretty good. It will last up to 2 days. The display we will get is the Super AMOLED display. The processor is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 768G. So this phone is going to be the best phone. I'm super excited to see. Please like and subscribe to Jungle Tech Pro if you like to see more video like this. See you in the next video.